You walk into Domino's Pizza and you say, yeah, large pepperoni. What else are you going to say? Large pepperoni, right? And the guy behind the counter says, okay, great. That's awesome. We're really excited about this. And we have a really good idea about how to make a pepperoni pizza. But we're not sure how it will turn out.
Exactly.
It might come out of the oven as a ball of carbon, but either way, it's going to cost you $30.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's essentially what we're doing. And so what happens is that's the selling of an idea. We have a good idea and we're sure it's going to be good and we're confident that it'll work. Of course, you're going to say that. But really, the risk is all on the client. And the risk is all with their money because the agency gets paid no matter what. No problem. Again, no problem. I'm not criticizing because that's all we had. Now we have a new input. Okay, so that's the selling of an idea. Now, if you walk in, I mean, if you heard that at Domino's Pizza, you'd leave.
Yeah, yeah.
What? You're out of your mind because you're buying an outcome. So there's selling ideas and then there's selling outcomes. Domino's Pizza is selling an outcome. If they screw up your pizza, they're going to make you another one. Period. And you will get your outcome. That's the paradigm shift that this represents. Is that